My name is Freddy Ndizihiwe. Normally I'm not part of the church. I met one of the members of the church, and he invited me. He told me that there will be a seminar from Monday for 3 days till today, Wednesday. So it was a good experience for me because I've been able to learn a lot about the church and about the gospel of Jesus and the other gospel, which was the topic of the seminar. So it was really interesting. I learned a lot.
Hello guys, I'm a member of IOIF. So we had a great time actually because we've been in the presence of God and we learned so many things during this time. So it was a 3-day seminar, Bible study, and we acknowledged so many things from our Pastor Cole. Some people, like if you thought that you were a Christian, but like that would be like a little bit wrong because nobody is perfect on this earth. From my point of view, I just studied that nobody is perfect in front of God. Nobody is healthy, nobody has no sins because everything has to go under the Bible. So for example, if you commit a sin and you ask for forgiveness, God had to give, I don't know, the Lamb of God or something. But like in any case or in anyhow, God has to give us everything we want, but through the Bible, through what He preached from the Bibles. So within these 3 days of seminar, I learned so many things, and I am grateful to have been here these 3 days because I was able to get and acknowledge so many things that I didn't know before. So as you can see, I have a lot of study here, and I will use it next time. Thank you very much.